Hi, hello, how are you doing? Let me just give a quick update for the Dow Jones index today on Friday, October the 1st. Um, let's see what we have here. Pre-market, we went down quite much, taking out these lows from a while ago. The interesting thing is that we went further than 1450 points. We took out this low, so let me see, what is a low? Around 33,500. So we went down pre-market more than 300 points and completely recovered from that right now. The interesting thing is it's 1:30 Central European time right now, and the market is still in a low volume time right now. I mean, in about an hour, the US is waking up, and I expect some more volume coming in. I think that means that, it's not a sure thing that we will keep on going up. There's some resistance around here. So yeah, anything can happen. But that having said, I think that, obviously the trend is up right now. We moved, let's see, 78% of the average daily range. That's remarkable. So we almost moved a complete daily range already, and we are up a little bit now, 0.1%. So at first, the first thing that I noticed this morning is we tried to make a new low here, and we did make a new low after the open. This is the open. This is 9 o'clock, actually 8 o'clock Central European time, and we made 209 points. But earlier in the day, the Asian session gave us 332 points. So in order for price to continue, we should have gone lower, but we didn't. So then we were hovering around this area. This is the support 1. We got a leg up, 152 points, went down 120, 96 down, 96 up, 61 down, 78, 59. So altogether you see decreasing legs down, increasing legs up. Eventually that leads to a breakout here, going 334 points. That's an amazing move. Let's see how far was the biggest move yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we made moves of 416 points, 357, also quite amazing. Because it's a low volume hour right now, it's not sure that we will keep on going up. We will see. Let me show a quick summary. We moved quite a lot already for today. Price is still far below the pivot. Here's the pivot. Well, we're approaching it right now. Actually, very interesting. We are approaching 34,000. Pay attention to this, for to see what's going to happen there. Obviously, there's some, I don't know, maybe some positive news, that it's all not so bad. And maybe there's actually a deal on the budget. Let me just quickly check the news. Let me see what this Market Watch is saying. Nothing. CNBC. Also nothing about that. Bloomberg. No, there's no news, but God knows what they've been doing. during the night. And yeah, also here, this blue line, that's the close from yesterday. So we have some news. 230 PCE price index, and at 4 ISM, that's half an hour after the open, the manufacturing PMI. We get, you know, it's just increasing, but there's still going to be opportunities also to the downside. We also, interesting to see that we broke 34,000 in one move. I mean, obviously this is a point where people take profits. You also see that they're taking profits right now, but the fact that price had enough power to go through is quite telling. So yeah, for now, obviously the trend is up. When to take it, that's always hard to say. Usually I wait for like a 50% retrace, so that will be about 165 points, which is around here. So it's going to be very interesting this early in the day, such a move up. While I was writing this, levels, important levels, 34,000, we were still far away from 34,000. I mean, that was like whatever, 15 minutes ago we were here, and I thought, well, maybe today we'll make it at to 34,000, and we already broke it, so that's quite interesting. Let's see the volume. It cannot be very, very high considering the hour. It's increasing. You see, we see increasing volume, increasing price. This is what we expect in an uptrend. Another interesting thing, we often see price falling back to this area. That could also be an important point to go long. Anyway, look for a long, of course, but in like 45 minutes, a lot of volume is coming in the market. So far, the trend is up. Maybe the news 2:30, that's pre-market, 1 hour before market open, is going to bring some change. News often brings opportunities to get in at a good price. It doesn't matter if the news is good or bad. If the sentiment is good, they will see the news in a positive light, right? If the sentiment is bad and the news is positive, well, they'll explain the news in a negative way. Let me see if we have a volume peak here. Yes, we do. All right. Anyway, on a steep move like this, yeah, also on 15, you don't go short easily. It was the same yesterday. It looked like we had great opportunities on the 5 minutes to go long, but they were all doomed to fail, and that was because larger time frame traders, they were just you know, going short and going short. You see how steep the 15 is. This is the open of the Dow Jones, the yellow area. Let's see if I have a agenda. Yes, here. So the yellow area is the opening of the Dow Jones. So and it's very steep. You just don't go long in an area like this. First you want a 50-minute bar to be taken out, and then price going back and forth. The red line is my zigzag indicator. It just measures the moves, and I programmed myself some stuff around it, so I see the numbers here, but you can just as well measure it yourself like this, right? Anyway, anyone who's trading, good luck today. It's gonna be again, just like yesterday, we're gonna have some great opportunities. right now this is not a moment to go short, just also because we broke 34,000. In order to continue up, we have to break 34,050 and also the pivot. Pay close attention to this level, 34,050, because what we often see is price not being able to turn right at this nice round number, but going a little bit further, but then not making it to the next level. And that on itself can be a short signal, which, by the way, I wouldn't take now. If it goes there right now, don't go short. I would wait. I think it's good to wait at least another 45 minutes to before some opportunities come up. This is a move that the market cannot ignore. So we're already at 0.22%. Well, thank you for listening, and anyone trading, good luck.